Good afternoon, ngayon po ay July 6, 2026 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2PM draw result ngayong July 6, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2PM. 3D Lotto 2PM draw result ngayong July 6, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2PM draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later for 5PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for July 6, 2026, Monday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, July 6, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2PM video for afternoon of July 6, 2026, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.